woke up in heaven, and as I look down, I see all the things I've might cost my dearest Mina. Of so many regretful moments that if I could take them all back, I would. I remember when I was on earth, how the beauty I possessed brought me so many suitors. I was so self-centered that at the moment I didn't regret anything. What can I say? I loved the attention I was given. It was hard for me to decide who to go with, but in so many ways, I just knew Arthur was the man for me. I remember the day when I wrote to Mina, the wonders of my life, how amazing and happy I was for my coming marriage. I could see through her letters that she was happy too, that her marriage with Jonathan was going to bring her eternal happiness. A marriage that she anticipated for so long, but had to wait after Jonathan became a prisoner of Dracula. I can remember my sleepwalking like if it was yesterday. I remember those ugly, devastating days that even to this day, I've no full memory of. I remember how horrified my mother was, not knowing where I was, and although I thought those days had passed, apparently they had not that night. I tried to remember the moment I let Dracula into my life, and I just can't. It's horrifying to think that I was the one who let him in, and I blame myself of everything my loved ones are going through. I remember how caring Mina was with me. Now I can see what happened that night. I started to sleepwalk into no direction while everyone was sleeping. Mina was so caring that the moment she saw that I wasn't in bed, went out and looked for me. Although it was too late because Dracula had already bitten me. As the days passed, I became more sick and sick. No transfusion of blood was working. I was destined to die. I became a vampire full of rage and desperate for blood. Oh, how ashamed am I? I thank Arthur for saving my soul and giving me eternal life. Now I'm here watching at the horrifying things that my beloved Mina is passing, and I blame myself for letting him in. I hate myself for not doing anything and not being able to do anything right now. I can see how he bites her and takes advantage of her. Only if I could, I would save my dear Mina from this misery. I thank her for everything, and if I could, I would do things all over again. Probably at this very moment, I wouldn't be feeling guilty, but sharing eternal happiness next to my loved ones.